Hello and welcome to the special segment called MC Pro Select Stock of the Day. In this segment, we bring to you fundamentally strong stock ideas that you can consider in your portfolio. So today's stock of the day is Prudent Corporate Advisory Services. If we talk about the company, then it is one of the largest distributors of mutual funds. It ranked second largest mutual fund distributor after NJ India among the non-banks in terms of commission earned in financial year 2024. If we consider the entire universe of mutual fund distributors, including the banks, Prudent is the fourth largest. Prudent stock has significantly outperformed the broader benchmark since its IPO in May 2022. The stock has also surged almost 5 times in around 2.5 years since its IPO. But you may ask, what do we like about the company? Proxy for mutual fund growth, Prudent draws over 80% of its revenue through distribution of mutual funds. The key source of revenue is the commission that the AMCs, that is asset management companies, pay Prudent for selling the mutual fund products. It sells mutual fund products to the retail investors through the mutual fund distributors that have joined Prudent's platform. Being a mutual fund to distribution, Prudent has benefited from the robust growth seen in the mutual fund industry. If we talk about the strong earnings growth, then Prudent's revenue and net profit have grown by CAGR of compound annual growth of around 29% and 46% respectively over the past 5 years, considerably financial year 2019 to 2024. If we talk about the company's show in the current fiscal accelerated further with net profit rising by 64% year-on-year in H1 financial year 2025. The net profit growth has been the back of the rise in the asset under management to rupees 1,07,000 crore as at the December, a growth of 56% year-on-year. Along with healthy inflows, the growth in AUM has been led by M2M gains as market witnessed a strong broad-based rally. A good product mix. Bulk of Prudent's AUM is equity-oriented, which earns relatively high commission income. The proportion of equity assets in total AUM stood at 96.7% at the end of September 2024. But you may ask, what will drive the growth going forward? So rising SIP flows. The monthly flows through systematic investment plans have been central to mutual fund growth story. The average ticket size for SIP in India is Rs 2,483 per account, despite the growth in SIP flows. The low ticket size implies that this category of investors require MFDs and not wealth managers for handholding. Around 45% of the Prudent's investors don't have SIPs. Now going forward, growth in the number and the average ticket size of SIPs will drive the earnings for Prudent in future. If we talk about the company, then the Prudent has a network of more than 31,452 mutual fund distributors on its platform, and it accounts for around 20% of MFDs being added to the industry every year. Around 2/3 of the overall MFD base have joined Prudent's platform in the last 5 years. As MFDs mature, their productivity escalates significantly. Now, the heightened productivity of mature MFDs will propel the future growth of Prudent. If we talk about the other financial products of the company, then Prudent has already created the network and the infrastructure which allows MFDs to sell multiple products from the same platform. Now, over the past 5 years, if we consider it, then the Prudent has added insurance and alternatives to its product suite. The share of revenue from distribution of insurance has increased from 0.2% in financial year 2019 to 11% in H1 financial year 2025. In the past 5 years, Prudent acquired mutual fund assets of Carve and iFast that helped in an accelerated growth in AUM. Thanks to the inorganic growth, the Prudent's AUM grew at CAGR of 39% compared to mutual fund industry's growth of 19% from financial year 2021 to 2024. Now, Prudent generates healthy free cash flow given the asset-light business model. Free cash flow can be used for inorganic growth during a downturn in the equity markets. With that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and please like, share and subscribe to Money Control's YouTube channel.